In this lecture, we will learn what a behavioral design pattern is. Behavioral design patterns help to define how objects interact. These patterns increase the flexibility in the communication between objects. Behavioral patterns focus on assigning responsibilities between objects. They focus on the way that objects are interconnected. The behavioral design patterns that we will learn about in the following lectures are chain of responsibility, command, interpreter, iterator, mediator, memento, observer, state, strategy, template method, and visitor. The chain of responsibility pattern delegates commands to a chain of objects that processes those commands. The command pattern creates objects that encapsulate actions and parameters. The interpreter pattern interprets user input and uses an abstract syntax tree. The iterator pattern lets us access the elements of an object in sequence without having to expose the underlying representation of the object. The mediator pattern provides loose coupling between classes by ensuring that only the mediator class has detailed knowledge of their methods. The memento pattern lets us restore an object to its previous state. The observer pattern allows us to let observer objects subscribe to events that are sent out by publishers. The state pattern lets an object alter its own behavior when its internal state changes. The strategy pattern lets the program select which algorithm to use from several choices at runtime. The template method pattern lays out the skeleton of an algorithm using an abstract class, allowing its subclasses to define its behavior. The visitor pattern moves the hierarchy of methods into one object, separating an algorithm from object structure. In the next lecture, we will learn about the chain of responsibility design pattern and how to implement it in Python.